Watch up, next day, just about 7 AM, just outside our hotel here. I didn't do much more filming yesterday. As you may have gathered, some of it was a bit hurried towards the end, partly down to the schedule of the tour bus, and secondly, as the day progressed, I started to get a headache, which happens with me if I don't have a lot of water or I have the occasional coffee. The mixture of not having either of those results in me getting what you could describe as a borderline migraine. Basic functions like walking, talking and actually seeing start to deteriorate. Debilitating headaches I can have like that. So that came on yesterday. So it was all I could do to get back to the hotel, get in a hotel room, and then not much else really. Just managed to find some paracetamols and then just crashed out. Literally, that was it. Couldn't do a single thing more. They tried having, we all sat down to have something to eat, and I looked at some of it and just, you know, when you just think, I can't stomach anything. I was just like that yesterday evening. And then we got bussed back here, and that was that, in the room, that was it. Until the alarm went off at 5 AM this morning, and we just went in the breakfast room there and managed to get some toast cereal and several cappuccinos. Hopefully today will be a bit better and a bit more alert. So this is the scene outside the hotel just before 7 AM, so still dark, and this is the front of the Long Way Hotel. That's our bus there, coach. I'd call it a coach. In my country, that's a coach. So now that's it, coach. Right, no more bus, coach. Right, so Long Way Hotel. So everyone's milling around now because apparently we're going off to Lijiang on the high-speed train. Now I don't know if it's one of them there bullet train things or just a fast train. And obviously there's other groups here. Some of our cases are going on to the next hotel, and a couple of bags we can keep with us apparently. It's a bit sketchy at the moment. But this is the foyer of the Long Way. The girl in the black jacket and the white hat is our guide. She's Chinese but talks Thai. So apparently she was in Chiang Mai, maybe an exchange student. You can see we're just moving around here. So I didn't get any footage of the room. Quite a nice room actually. I thought impressive, massive bed, but in fact it ended up being two beds just strapped together. So a bit of a disappointment. But actual overall size of room was good. Yeah, as you can see, it's sort of work out next moves and oh, hang on, something's happening. Right, something's happening. I'll come back later.
1 hour later.
Right, apparently we're near the train station now. Get on a train of some description. A few taxis here. Typical scenes to Thailand really, bit of street food stalls outside of a station. Go out of the way of the traffic there. Boiled corn, fried eggs, some sausage, oh, rotis, steamed dumplings. Oh, that looks quite nice. What's this one got? Oh, sausage. A bit more over there, look. Noodle. Similar scenes to Thailand. A lot of these scooters, by the way, here, look. See these? Lots of these. And most of the scooters that you see are there, all electric. I'm not seeing many normal scooters like your Click or your Aerox like you see in Thailand. I've not seen any scooter yet with a petrol engine, and a lot of the taxis and a lot of the vehicles I'm seeing electric so far. So we'll see if this is the norm. A bit more here, look. But yeah, a lot of electric vehicles so far, including scooters like that. Right, let's catch up with the group. I think I just got cut off actually. Where is everybody? Oops. Right, station. Oh, that must be some sort of underground. Oh, there's some of the group. Right, station. Typical stuff, any station, anywhere. Ticket machines. Oh yeah, automatic ticketing, as they say. Don't know where everybody else is. Oops. I may be a bit cut off. Oh no, I can see a couple of people. Right, okay. Right, what's up here? Alright, up we go. Right, and seemingly we're off. Now that says green channel. No idea. I suppose it's all been arranged and prepaid. Oh, it's like a safety bag check, a bit like an airport. Right, better turn the camera off, back soon. Right, the most pathetic and quick security check you've ever seen. But oh well, done that. Schedules. Looks nice and clean and tidy so far. There we go.
A few moments later.
Right, now time down to the platform. First views of some trains. Take it we're getting on this one here. Looks like it. Freight train sitting there waiting. Once again, this station looks very clean. All the platforms and everywhere else. Good facilities up there in the main station building. Quite impressed so far. Right, so I think we've got seat numbers. Little luggage area. Nice views of the carriage. Just something I've noticed here, on the other platform it's already down, but on this one, look, this little makeshift barrier comes down to then stop you either jumping onto the tracks, or once the doors are shut and the train's ready to go, no one jumps on or off at the last minute. So this has just come down from the roof of the platform, and there you go, look, and it's come down. So now no one is getting on or off, or when the train leaves, no one's jumping in the platform or on the tracks, I should say, or trying not to, I suppose, people committing suicide and jumping in front of the trains. Not a bad idea, is it? And by the looks of it, yeah, we're off. Bit noisy on here, as you can tell. Loads of Thai people, all excited. Well, I must say the train carriage is nice and clean, and seats are clean, and you've got this here. You've got your own little fold-down table. The seats do recline, and we've been told that under each seat you have a charging point. So that's all good, and so far I've seen about 4 or 5 police on this train, all coming up and down, and we've got ticket inspectors, look, and other train staff come up and down regularly. Looks like he's checking tickets there and things. Cleaner further up there, look, cleaning in the aisles. All looks very nice so far. Another good idea of just sitting on this train here. I wonder what there was at the end of those seats there is a foot pedal, and I've just seen the cleaner doing it, and what they do is that, and then the whole row turns around like that, and then so when the train goes the other way, you're all sitting facing the direction of the train. Well, that's just so much better idea, I think. Look at that, so simple. Look, spin. All right, platform now, so let's catch up with everybody. That's what you'll see a lot of here, people smoking. And in places, in other countries, you wouldn't see people smoking. Like in my country, smoking on the platform, any platform, not allowed. Here, common practice. That's something you've got to get used to. People will just walk straight in front of you. They seem to have, well, so far on par, the same spatial awareness as Thais, which is not much. And yeah, they'll just walk straight in front of you. A lot of Thai people can be like that. Trains, quite impressed, I must say. Right, go down some steps now. Whatever that says, it's loud. And yeah, just outside the station now.
各位旅客，欢迎来到国家卫生城市丽江。站前路实行交通管制。
And a KFC. Okay. Right, I suppose we'll wait for everyone and then see what's happening next. I'll come back.